good evening. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fried enoki mushroom. And you need enoki mushrooms, and then you need this gogi flour, tepung campuran tempura. You can get it in any of the supermarket or wet market. The original recipe shared by Swee Khuan, one of our DHM members, and hers, she put Eno inside it, but because I did not. But it's also very crispy even without Eno. It's only the flour and then some salt and water to make a thick batter. It's pretty easy. So let's start. I don't have a specific measurement. This is 500 grams, which I usually make about like 4 times. So I will put like half a bowl of this, about this much, a bit more. Then put about a pinch of salt, about this. It's good enough. Then I'll add some cold water. I find that using cold water makes it more crunchier than normal room temperature water. As for the water also, I don't have an exact measurement. I just roughly add it in and until I get a thick batter. So just keep adding water until you get a thick batter. It's a great snack for the kids. The kids love it because it's crunchy, it's crispy, everything go crack crack crack. And also it's healthier than, I think, feeding them the French fries. I prefer to add water a bit by a bit so that I can control the consistency. So if in case, any case that it's too diluted, you just need to add the extra flour into it. So this is about the consistency that I'm looking for. Quite thick and not runny. Set it aside. I'm not very sure are we supposed to wash the enoki mushroom, but normally I will wash because without washing it just don't feel right. Just give it a light rinse. Shake off all the excess water as much as I can. You can fry this whole piece, but I prefer to cut mine into like 3 portions. Then I'll just add into the bowl. I'll just use my hand to just coat everything in. Make sure everything is well coated. Gogi flour costs about like, I think one pack of 120 grams is like $1.80, and there are few packaging sizes. 120 grams, 250 grams and 500 grams. I got mine from Hatjai, which is very cheap. It's about 1.5 kilo, 500 gram each pack for 110 baht only. So just make sure everything is well coated with the better mixture. Medium high heat, I'm using 160 Celsius. The oil is already heat up just now, so I'm just gonna use my hand and then just try to make it thinly as possible, something like that, and I put it into the hot oil. Doesn't matter if it doesn't, every piece looks the same. For a bowl like this, I need to fry it in like 3 batches minimally. You want to spread it thinly so that you get a crispier fritters instead of yes what. You need to cook this until both sides are well golden brown, and just dish out onto a kitchen towel, then serve it. Even if it's cooled down later, it will still be crispy. Okay. So once you feel that one side is already brown, then you can flip it over. Uh-oh. Over, chop it up a bit. And just spit until it's all golden brown. Some people ask that whether if we can use any other type of flour. I'm not sure because I have not tried it, but I think any tempura flour will be good. Because GOGI flour is actually a Thai tempura flour. Then golden brown, it's time to dish up, so just put it on a paper towel and drain off the excess oil. This is Klaus' favorite beef too, other than French fries. Because it's so crunchy, they can snack on it the whole day. Sometimes I just make and then put on the table for them, and then they'll have it all day round. Okay, so next go in the next batch. And let me try one for you to see how crispy it is. Aduh. Just let you hear the sound. So, it's really crispy. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.